Are you trying to find the best aluminum polisher? If yes, you have come to the right place. The below is a list of the top 5 best aluminum polisher. Be sure to read my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Please subscribe and click the bell button for more update videos to the channel, and don't forget to like and comment. Consequently, let's begin the video pretty quickly. Number 1. If you gather a gathering of car aficionados, you can bet that at least some of them will admit to using Mother's Mag and aluminum polish on their beloved rides. Because of its well-known formula that shines alloys like brass, stainless steel, aluminum, and other metals, Mother's 5101 Mag and aluminum polish has a solid reputation among hobbyists and stands out from the competition. In addition to polishing metals, the recipe also coats them with a barrier to keep the shine for a longer period of time. With a little elbow grease and a cleaning cloth, the mixture is simple to apply. We appreciate that the business provides a metal polishing package for people who would rather complete the task with a handheld drill. The solution has been reported to remove some tarnish and rust, but if you have more challenging projects to finish, you may need something stronger. One thing to note is that, when compared to the competition, we did found the solution to be quite pricey per ounce. However, you can perfectly clean the components on your best sliding miter saw. Number 2. Flitz Multi-Purpose Polish and Cleaner may be your best choice if you're looking for a product that can not only polish your aluminum but also get rid of rust and other corrosion. The non-toxic, non-flammable composition is safe enough to use in delicate areas like the kitchen while yet removing undesirable stains like tarnish, rust, water stains, lime deposits, powder residue, oxidation, oil stains, and more with ease. Brass, chrome, gold, bronze, platinum, copper, nickel, and aluminum are just a few of the metals that the solution may be used on. It can also be used on plastic, marble, fiberglass, and painted surfaces. Although the solution is fairly pricey per ounce when compared to other solutions on the market, at least you know it will do the job without a problem. We do wish it were a little more reasonable. Before utilizing the best deicer for sidewalks, I used this to polish a snow shovel. Number 3. Chemical Guys is the ideal option for your demands if you need to do a heavy-duty task, such as polishing diamond plate metal or automotive surfaces that haven't been exposed to sunlight in years. Heavy Metal Polish has your back with a specialized metal polish that also includes cleansers to help restore metal luster and clarity. In addition to polishing metals like copper, brass, aluminum, chrome, stainless steel, silver, and gold, the formula also acts to safeguard it by encasing it in protective polymers. Additionally capable of removing rust spots and oxidation from most metal surfaces, including challenging billet wheels, is Chemical Guy's Heavy Metal Polish. We advise keeping this option away from more valuable goods like jewelry and only utilizing it on heavy-duty metal applications. Instead, choose a less abrasive alternative. Read about the best wood polish instead if you need to polish wood, since this is exclusively for metal. Number 4. Do you think in miracles? After using Metal Polish Cream by Blue Magic, you most certainly will. This mixture was developed to give your car long-lasting defense against dings and scratches that accumulate over time. Simply apply it on any type of brass, copper, or aluminum that appeals to you, then rub it off, scrape it away, and buff it to finish the job. Since this cream is non-abrasive, it won't harm or degrade your car over time. Additionally, the cream concentrates on eradicating microorganisms as well as tarnish and oxidation, resulting in a longer vehicle lifespan. In conclusion, it's blue and surely magical. Number 5. A metal polish combo package from California Custom Products polishes a variety of metal surfaces, including those made of aluminum, brass, copper, chrome, silver, and steel, and it also quickly and easily removes rust and difficult oxidation. The company's Purple Polish and aluminum deoxidizer both strive to remove rust, even from materials like chrome, and return your metal surfaces to a bright luster. The best part is that California Custom offers a money-back guarantee with no questions asked if you're not satisfied with the service. The accompanying aluminum deoxidizer should not be used on painted surfaces, gold, or silver plating, since these materials do not respond well to it. Additionally, the recipe won't work on metals with coatings that provide protection. However, you can always prepare the surface using the best disc sander. Finally, because the solution is poisonous, it must be kept safely out of the reach of kids and dogs. That's all from my end. I make useful videos every day, so please subscribe to my channel. Check out my description if you need more information or want to know the price of the product. Please leave a comment if you have any problems. Stay up to date on our cool products because it will make your life much easier.